Hello viewers and welcome back. I'm all vibing for this festive season because we finally have a reason to get dressed and get out after being months in lockdown. So in this video I will be sharing a short hairdo tutorial, and in the next video I will be sharing a simple yet elegant makeup look that again you can wear with any outfit. So in this video let's focus on how to create a messy bun. So let's get started. Okay, for any hair updo you will need a few things: a tooth comb, a few clamps, a hair teasing brush. This one is from Iconic. A few bobby pins, these ones. A few jura pins. A black rubber band, and you'll need a hairspray. The most important step is to section your hair. So I'm just going to section my hair from the crown. I'm going to take a very thick section. And I'm going to just clamp this section in front. For all the hair at the back, I'm going to section the hair again using a teasing comb. And I'll tease my hair a little bit backwards. Spray this section with hairspray so that the teasing stays in place.
Now I'm going to repeat and take a section from the center as well as from the left side of the hair, and I'm going to tease them backwards just like I did on the right section.
Now once that is done, you'll get a little bit of volume, and now I'm going to take all of the back hair and tie it in a ponytail.
Now I'm going to pull out few strands from the ponytail to give the crown a little bit more texture.
Okay, for the section in the front, I'm going to make out the section again. And again using the teasing comb, taking the top section away because we want the crown looking very neat. And then taking the front section and covering the teased hair with it a little bit backwards to give a more polished look. I'm going to spray the hairspray on the brush. Okay, now for the other side, the left section, we are going to do the same. Spray the hairspray over the brush, teasing brush, and I will further neaten the hair. I'll slightly pull out hair to again give it some texture. Take out a few strands from the crown to cover my face. Let's just curl this ponytail so that we can tie it in a messy bun. In order to curl this section of hair, I am taking my curling iron from Philips We'll take small sections and curl from below, from the end. Okay, after that we have curled this section of the ponytail, we are going to tie it up.
Now I'll take the teasing brush again and tease the hair, the ponytail from beneath. Now this will give some volume to the bun that we create. Now after tying the hair in a bun, I'm going to leave some hair falling. And we are going to secure these hair with bobby pins and jura pins.
Okay, as for the hair falling on the face, we are going to create straightener curls. So I'm using the Philips straightener and take the section between the straightener plates and roll it around once and pull the hair downwards.
Now I'm going to spray the curl in order to keep it from opening up.
And it's done. Now let me show you the full look with the makeup on as well.
So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like the messy bun tutorial, and if you guys found it pretty easy to try it out yourself, let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it. As for the makeup tutorial, stay tuned for my next video. I'll be posting tomorrow for this easy and simple and elegant look that you can carry with any outfit that you opt for. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.